We're here at Alstede Farms in Chester, New Jersey. They're going to show us all about their CSA, how to pick their own vegetables, and even take a tour of watching some of their farm animals, and of course, the yummy ice cream that they're serving right now because peaches are in season. That's coming up next, right here on the Vegetable Garden Show.
48 miles west of Manhattan, located in historic Chester, New Jersey, you'll find Alstede Farms. For 35 years, founder Kurt Alstede's vision was to supply fresh fruits, vegetables, and herbs to the surrounding community.
The farm was founded in 1982 by Kurt Alstede. He's our owner and our general manager. He wanted to grow crops directly for consumers to eat, whether that was through Pick Your Own or shopping in our farm store. That is what he wanted to do.
Farmer Kurt had a clear vision as to how to provide the best quality fruits and vegetables to families in the area, and fulfill that vision he did.
Our CSA, it stands for Community Supported Agriculture, and it is a program where members can sign up for a crop share where they get a weekly box of produce every week from the last week of April until the week of Thanksgiving. And in those boxes, they get whatever is our prime harvest at the time.
Alstede grows over 250 different varieties of fruits and vegetables using only natural and sustainable growing practices. In order to get a view of the entire farm, we jumped on a gator with Sam Walmer, Alstede's farm steward, and we asked Sam just how large Alstede is.
About 185 acres inside the deer fence on this place. I think it's 352 altogether. We have 6 different farms, one of which is certified organic. Every one of them, the model is go in and install a deer fence and then a bee cage of beehives, so we have local honey available. As I say, part of the model besides the deer fence is every farm has a bee cage full of beehives on it. We have a beekeeper that takes care of them and harvests the honey. He doesn't only harvest from our farms, but it is all local honey, locally sourced. We found out years ago you've got to have a cage around it or the bear will come in and tear the hives apart. Bears are sort of renowned for trying to get at the honey, but what they really want is the grubs of the bees that are in there in the little cells. But meanwhile, the hives might cost $800 a piece, so you got to go to the expense of putting up a cage to keep the bear out. Our asparagus, this planting is at least 11 years old. Of course, it comes back every year. At some point with asparagus, you just decide you're not going to cut it anymore because it has to go to what you call fern stage and grow up to these big bushes to build up the energy and carbohydrates in the roots to get through the winter and start sending up spears again next year. We have 4 more asparagus fields here and then one that we'll just harvest for retail.
I asked Sam if the asparagus is part of the Alstede Farms CSA program.
Very much so. Again, that would be the earliest, aside from greenhouse crops, that would be the earliest homegrown that we have in the CSA, and very much look forward to it. People love the asparagus. So.
I love the month of August because it has a wide variety of different crops. So we still have some of our summer berries, like blueberries and raspberries. We have abundant peaches. We have eggplants, peppers, green beans. We also have Pick Your Own sunflowers right now, and people can also go through our sunflower base as well.
We hop back on the gator to head on over to the peach trees, where right now Alstede Farms peaches are in prime picking season.
You don't necessarily have to pick them all. See this, how it's got a ridge on it and it's flattened? It's not done growing. It also, the real thing that you really need to know is it's got green background color. That tells you it's not ready. The red color is just to make you buy it. Has nothing to do with whether it's ripe. This is a perfect peach. Ready now. When you pick it, you want to give it a little twist and pull. You don't want it, that one's got a little bit of, but that is ready. Can you see the difference up here? Look at that, how yellow that is.
One of the things that we have this week that we're really proud of are nectarines and donut peaches. So August is prime time for peach season, as well as many other tree fruits. And so this week all of our members are getting donut peaches as well as nectarines. And we're very proud of them this season because last year in April there was a late season frost. We we were able to save a lot of our peaches and apples, but we weren't able to save these guys. So the fact that we had a large enough crop to be able to provide donut peaches and nectarines for everyone, it really means a lot to us. So we're very excited about that this week.
I was fortunate enough because I was able to bring my son with me on this particular tour, and one of the things that was really exciting to my son was the homemade peach ice cream. It's August here in Zone 7A in Chester, New Jersey, and they're serving fresh peach ice cream, which is made right here on the premises, and I have to tell you, it is unbelievable.
These are all summer berries, so they're done for the year. Over here we have our bean planting, which we have all through the season. We've always got a succession of beans coming in, so they're always available for the CSA, going to our farmers markets, and we try to have a field on pick your own ground too.
So everything is harvested for our CSA members for them, and we have different box options. We have the classic harvest, which is this one that has a wide variety of crops. That's pre-packed. We have the harvest necessities option that has more basic items. For instance, at this time of year, they'll get a lot more peppers and tomatoes than they would get, say, leeks. And then we also have pack your own. So everyone that comes here to pick up at the farm, we put out all of our current harvest on a table, and people can pick and choose whatever they like to go into their boxes. So they don't pick them themselves to go into their boxes, but they are freshly harvested every day. And we also offer all of our CSA members free pick your own admission for the farm, so that they can come and visit and pick their own crops without paying the admission.
And if the store that they have, the CSA, the pick your own, and the homemade ice cream weren't enough, well, they have an entire area here for the kids where you can actually feed chickens and goats and donkeys. And behind me here are some ducks and some geese, and you can hear the rooster in the background. If you have kids and you're looking to get them used to being around farm animals and learn more about farming, and you were thinking about joining a CSA, Alstede Farms has it all. So that's all the time we have for today. Let me know in the comments below if you belong to a CSA in your area. I've left in the description the contact information for Alstede Farms in case you're in the Chester, New Jersey area and you wanted to stop in and just say hi to Maxine, Maggie, Sam, and Kurt and the gang and see all the wonderful things that they're doing here. For the Vegetable Gardening Show, I'm Mike Podles. Hey, I hope you enjoyed this episode of the Vegetable Gardening Show. I picked a couple other here over to my left, so be sure to check them out. And here's the subscribe button. So be sure to subscribe and hit the bell notification for our show if you want to continue to get tips and tricks to grow your best vegetable garden ever.